Good morning everyone. Today is the first day of December in the morning. Hello all, it's me, Rose Splendid Ravel. We're here to the other side of the park. It's been a few days that the weather is not good here. It's foggy, rain, and today is a nice morning. It's freezing cold. My hands. It's that. You heard that? It's a train station. Look, train rail. We're in the other side of the park now. I'm walking towards to the other side on my right side. So let's have fun and enjoy this weather. This is the weather like in London. 1 minute rain, 1 minute sunny, and the next minute is foggy. Ayan. So look at the view at the back. It's pretty cool. Malamig siya talaga, pero okay lang. Tiis. Ayan. Let's go! Samahan niyo ako at mag-enjoy sa moment na to. Ayan, dito may ano siya, path. Marami ngayon ang magraran, I'm sure, kasi maganda na naman ang weather dito. Isn't that beautiful, the first day of December? It's this kind of scenery that you can see here in the park. Muntik ko nang sagasaan. I mean, matouch yung phone ko sa nagrun. Ayan. Hindi ko gamit yung GoPro ko kasi hindi ko na charge. Yan, ang hirap. hindi ako prepared, char. Ayan, enjoy na lang tayo. And also, I'm using my new phone. This is iPhone 12. Ooh. Sana hindi kayo ma-bored sa aking video na lagi na lang weather. Dito sa London, lagi naming chine-check ang what is the weather like. Isn't that beautiful and colorful? Look! Dito din may mga estudyante. Ayan. Ayan, may nagraran. mga runners. Doon banda kasi malawak doon. Maraming nagraran doon banda. Kaso medyo basa siya. Yes, say yes, say yes. Oh, can you see the moon? Look at that. Look. That is the moon out there. This is it. That's it. That one. This one, the on the top of the tree. It's coming soon. I'm going to move to the other side and then I can see more. Oh, look at that. Ang laki-laki pa niya. Full moon na ba? Ooh. Hello, good morning to you, Mr. Moon. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ang laki ng moon. It's, ayan, ito, 7, it's 7:45. The train is towards London. Oh, it's still big. Tumigas na naman ang kamay ko. Oh, ayan. Tumigas ang kamay ko. See the sun? It's coming out. I'm so blessed that I had I mean, you know, like malapit lang ako dito sa park. It's not far. I don't need to travel that far. Ayan. So blissful. Oh, a nice weather. Oh, let's go and walk for more. Wala na yung kamay ko, tumigas na. I'm enjoying my new phone at the moment. Wala na, natabunan na si Haring Araw. Ayan, may train. Punta naman yan sa kabila. Doon yung gate sa Buchanan Place Park. Umikot lang ako sa front. Ayan. Ganyan ang view. Oh. Ewan ko kung mag-snow ba dito. If ever na mag-snow dito. Ako ang unang tatakbo. Oh. Kahit ako lang isa maglakad-lakad dito, guys. Nai-enjoy ko siya kasi sa scenery niya at saka sa view niya. Mas maganda maaga, hindi masyadong crowded. As much as possible, pag nagbi-video ako hanggat maaari, walang masyadong tao. Pero kung gustuhin ko talaga na pumunta dito, around 10 o'clock onwards, ayan, puno na to dito. Morning. Doon ako sa kabila pupunta kasi parang ang ganda na ng sun, lalabas na siya. End of the line, end of the line, let you touch your heart. Ayan, yun yung mga duck dito. Ito yung man-made lake. Again. Ayan. Okay, nandito tayo sa gitna ng park. Ayan. Ganyan ang view dito. Oh. Tapos, yun ang mansion. Pag malamig or not, yung pag marami ang snow or nag-i-snow dito kami banda nag-sledging, naglalaro ng snow dito. Not sure kung may snow ba this year. Okay, let's walk further more. Okay, let's get closer. Look. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Maganda ang kulay, orangey, very orangey siya. I think this is my walk for today kasi tumigas na ang kamay ko. Oh, some more here. That was orange color. This is red. Nandito ako sa mud. Ayun, more, oh. Marami siya. marami siya. Oh, look at guys. May ano. Mayroong mga birds. Teka lang ha. Saglit. Hello bird. Good morning to you. Nag-i-enjoy kayo dyan. Look at them. They're just relaxing. They're having their breakfast. Oh, lumipad na siya. Oh, natakot sila sa akin. Kaya lumipad sila. Na na na. La 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 na 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 na. Okay guys, look at the sun is coming out. You see, there's the airplane. I feel like I don't want to go home and stay here forever. The sky is clear, so it's cold. Yay! Na 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 na. I don't care. I don't care. Na na. I don't care. Kahit nilamig na ang kamay ko, tumigas na siya. Don't care. Oh, I don't care. Like, punta ko sa taas, aakyat ako dyan sa hagdanan. Hindi pa rin ako umuwi. Nagpaalam na ako kanina, pero hindi ako umuwi. Paano kasi? Ang ganda ng weather. Paano ka ba uuwi? Look, pataas na ng pataas. Oh, look. Tumaas na si Mr. Sunshine. Ano kaya yan? Malamig na talaga. Ngayon, tingnan mo. Tumigas na yung kamay ko. Ngayon, sa taas ako. Ayan. Bababa na tayo. Maganda ang view dito. Nasa taas ka. Look. Ayan. Bababa na tayo. Bababa na ang lola nyo. Pauwi na. Umuwi na tayo. Uwi na talaga ako. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much, Lord, for the nice weather. Hoping for snow. Oh, nagbibenta sila ng Christmas tree. Oh, may nagbibenta dito ng Christmas tree. Oh. Ayan. May nagbibenta ng Christmas tree. Hirap talaga na walang selfie stick. Next time dadalhin ko yung selfie stick ko. Kalimutan ko eh. Ayan, dumami na ang tao. Iba papunta na ng school. I'll say thank you so much and goodbye na talaga. Bye.